First of all, you as a Gen AI consumer has to have the controllability over the model. Let's now put on the side the normal, let's say, productized behavior of Gen AI using the chatbot. Nowadays, if you use chatbot for any Gen AI practice, actually you don't have controllability, right? And actually, aside from the privacy statement or whatnot, you don't have control on the privacy and the security, safety from threatening or whatnot, fairness, the model should be fair to all dimensions of human races or whatnot, veracity, explainability. So now if you ask a model a question and you got an answer, don't you have the right to ask the model, can you please kindly, Mrs. or Mr. Model, explain to me how did you make this answer? You have to have this right, because we are building a humanity-changing application on the top of this model. And the least thing that we really have to expect is to have explainability in order to be able to repeatedly and expect what the model is going to do. Transparency is the base of explainability, and for sure governance. What you can do, and all of it. This is AWS approach in order to promote the responsible AI and whatnot.